Welcome to your sleep-inducing meditation. For this meditation, you will need to have a soft light on to be able to see it at the beginning. Get comfy in your bed. Settle, settle, settle in, enjoying being horizontal and held. Comforted under your covers. Now become aware of your breathing. Notice how it feels entering your nostrils and expanding your chest area and belly. Letting your breath leave your body through your mouth with a ah sound. Do that again with total focus. Breathing in, letting go, allowing your body to drop onto the mattress with another out breath and Exaggerate the sound with your next breath out as you drop even more. Aware now how just this simple technique has shed tension from your body. This has prepared you to go into a very relaxed state before sleep. Find something to gaze at comfortably in front of you. Focus gently on whatever it is. As you look there, I am going to ask you to blink your eyes with every number I count, starting with the number 10. Maintain your natural breathing flow. Okay, let's begin. 10. Blink your eyes. 9. Blink. 8. Blink. 7. 6. 5. Blink. 4. 3. 2. 1. And 0. With as little disturbance as possible, turn off your light and close your eyes. As your eyes close, a gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over you. Your breathing is slow and steady. Your body is heavy against the mattress, and your head and neck have completely relaxed on your pillow. Imagine gently now that you are at the top of a flight of stairs looking down. These stairs lead you to a deep and soothing sleep. When I begin to count down from 10, you will imagine yourself walking down these stairs, feeling more and more relaxed with each step and breath you take. Let's begin. 10. Begin your journey of stepping into sleep. 9. Breathing in and breathing out. 8. Feeling so relaxed with each step. 7. 6. Breathing in and breathing out. 5. More and more calm. 4. More and more relaxed in your mind. 3. 2. 1. As your feet leave the last step, you drop into a warm aromatic bath. It feels so good. You bathe in the comfort, and your body naturally responds with a complete letting go, allowing yourself to drift off to sleep naturally. Breathing in and breathing out. Total calm. Breathing in and breathing out. Total peace. Breathing in and breathing out. Empty. Breathing in and breathing out. Empty. Breathing in and breathing out. Empty. And one long conscious breath in, slowly letting it out. If you need more, there is a link on your screen to a calm breathing meditation. Blessings for a great night's sleep, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.